Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Smartwatch. With a harmonized classic watch design, the Amazfit GTR 47mm adopts a classic design. The watch body is full metal, with the lustered microcrystalline zirconium ceramics bezel. The detailing is comparable to a high-end mechanical watch. Whether you're doing outdoor exercise or wearing a suit, it fits your needs perfectly. Computer speakers. Treble sound and heavy bass multimedia speakers fill a room with so much music comes through crisp and clear, which provides you a more enjoyable stereo sound experience. Turn your desktop computer or laptop into the sound system. Electric air fryer, 360-degree air circulation for fast cooking. The high-speed air circulation technology can balance the heating temperature, have strong penetration, and can effectively cook the inside of the food. The patented electrostatic membrane technology can absorb the solid particles generated during the heating process, effectively avoiding the precipitation. F3 drone. The drone's arm uses a classic three-dimensional folding design, which feels just right. Thousands of folds can still guarantee flight stability. Doubled aircraft size after folding. Zoom out so you can easily master it with one hand. We apply GPS satellite positioning technology to drones, allowing you to experience automatic intelligence anytime, anywhere. Intelligent operation. Smart lock. Smart lock with touch keypad to lock door with password. Automatic lock from 20 to 900 seconds. Password code with 4 to 8 digits. Battery life up to 12 months. Fingerprint Bicycle Lock. Your finger is your key, easy to unlock. It only takes 1 second to open. The inside is made of high-quality materials, and the inside is a steel wire rope, so there is no need to worry about the locking rope breaking. In addition, the use of super CPU materials has a good recognition ability and a low error rate. LED children light, soft light eye protection night light. Adjustable soft light easily deal with all kinds of baby care problems. Long press one key to dimmable. Remember the brightness when the light was turned off last time. Indoor IP camera, motion and sound detection. The M1 will send a notification as soon as abnormal movement or noise is detected. The sensitivity can be adjusted to reduce false detection caused by bugs or small animals. Built-in mic and speaker offer you a smooth communication with your baby anytime, anywhere. Ask Alexa or Google Assistant to show your baby room or anywhere with M1 cameras. Retro tissue box, retro feeling. No longer monotonous radio-shaped tissue box. Looking back to the old days, deducting a new style of retro. Smooth paper pumping, wide mouth design, smooth extraction. No paper jams, easy paper retrieval. Electric hair curler, 30 seconds fast heating, bring you lustrous and elastic curly hair. Ceramic curl chamber, protect your hand and skin from hurt, safe to use. Professional tourmaline ceramic technology and vegetable protein coating help to seal moisture into your hair and protects cuticle. Infrared thermometer, high-precision infrared thermometer, full view reverse display color screen, 0.5 second fast temperature measurement. Connect the temperature probe to the thermometer and touch the surface of the object to be measured. Non-contact industry thermometer with 12 points temperature test area indicate. Antibacterial gel, frequently used keyboards, mouse surfaces, corners of accessories on the car, often dust, bacteria hiding places, and difficult to clean. Now only need to use clean and fresh cleaning gel. You can easily solve these troubles. Universal wrench, suitable for dismounting and installing the sanitary ware, pipe nut and so on. It doesn't damage the ornamental pipe and nut, such as gold-plated, copper, etc. It can also be used in small space. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.